We're looking at the vertically sliding billboard. This is a fun one. You see it's floating. It aligns with the top edge of the browser and center aligned with the browser window. It's a pretty fun ad. Let's go ahead and look at the ad script. Oh, here it is. Right where it should be. Went right by it. You'll see it's here at the top of the body, the root of the DOM, and that's because, again, it floats above all content on the page and it aligns itself with the browser. It's always important to note with these floaters. Doesn't need to be nested in any other divs or anything like that. It's a very simple, straightforward deployment. So in other words, this is actually where the server tag would go for your ad server. This script obviously deploys in its place. It's useful to create a dedicated position for this unit. So whether it's being used or not is irrelevant. Again, for trafficking, for inventory management purposes, you know that the position's at least always available. And basically how the ad unit works with all of our expanders or Premier ads, they work and they live by adjusting the size of a div, an HTML div. So in this case, the teaser div is just the small collapsed state at the very top edge of the browser window, and then before the ad drops down, the div expands down in height. You see the ad animate down, it moves down, and then the opposite happens as the ad closes. So that's really all that's happening, is just a manipulation of an HTML div there. Obviously there's a Flash movie in there. This unit follows IAB standards for polite loading regarding content and data. And it also waits for the HTML onload event by default before it loads or renders. That can be changed within the Impact Engine system very easily. There's a place you can do it right where you get the ad code. So that's an easy thing to change. So other than that, like the rest of the main floaters, whether it's the corner peels or the floating expanders, this is a very simple deployment and straightforward and easy to do. So you shouldn't have much trouble with it at all. Have fun.